wizard.
All right. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all going to have a great day today. Hope you're all going to have a fantastic day today. So, right now, on the 15-minute, Bitcoin has almost hit all time highs, about $1,500 away from hitting all time highs. And right now, we have lost our daily VWAP. We're trying to hold on to our previous day VWAP. Price has sunk under at the time. What, 444 right now? Nice, 444. So we are losing the daily. We're trying to hold our previous day right now at 106.2, but you can see on the 15-minute the curve to the downside here on the VWAP, which means this red dot probably has a little bit more to go. Probably has a little bit more to go. Money flow did not come out though. That is a positive sign. You can see it starting to curve back up here on the 15. On the 20-minute, we can see the same curve starting to form to the downside. We could see a rejection off this VWAP, and we could potentially come down to our weekly at 105. Now, I really thought it was going to open. We was going to open in the next like 3 hours or whenever it is, and we're going to hit all-time highs. But now I'm kind of skeptical. Money is shooting up. Money flow is shooting up. We need to hold this previous daily VWAP. If not, we're going to come down and retest this weekly VWAP, confirm it as support like we done here. And if we are going to lose that weekly VWAP, then I would look to confirm this previous week VWAP as support. You can see. I don't think, I mean, if we just top out here, we could hit the monthly. What is this? The 20. Let's go to the 30. 30 money flow is starting to look bad, but on the 30, you can see it trying to curve back up. We could see it start to come up and hold these levels for a potential all-time high. That's a pretty deep VWAP on the 1 hour. You see when it gets this deep, we have room to continue down. We have room for rejections off this zero line once we get this deep. So I would be looking at that, and there is a curve. We are getting the curve to the upside here. We have a potential. We have a potential for another little deep wave, a deep wave around this 60 to continue some bear divs at potentially all-time highs. 2 hour red dot is starting to firm. We have 13 minutes to confirm this red dot. VWAP shooting straight down. You could see that curve. You could see that curve to the downside the whole time. We're holding on to the previous daily VWAP at the moment. 4 hour red dot also printing. Money flow is just getting lower and lower as we've gotten higher. Everything is diverging on this 4 hour right now. We have divergence on momentum, we have divergence on VWAP, and we have divergences on money flow. So if we're gonna hit all-time highs, we need this shit to start turning around. Now, you can see. Let's zoom in on this. Not really there yet. Not really there yet. And we got 2 hours to confirm the red dot on the 4 hour. 8 hour looks to be topping out. We see the VWAP already came down. Once she starts to cross over, we know we're gonna get a red dot. Once again, this will be on divergences. Momentum divergence, VWAP divergence, and money flow divergence. And all three divergences like this on the 4 and 8, they may not play out today. We could still hit all-time highs today. Very possible. 12-hour money flow stick thick, but coming down. We have the curve to the downside. Looks like she's trying to turn around though. We can see the curve starting to come to the upside. The next 2 hours are going to be important unless she like boop, like we started curving here, boop, she came down. Okay, so unless we're gonna see her edge up to the upside here on this in the next 2 hours, I would expect more moves down. Maybe we don't hit all-time highs. Maybe they fake this out. And the daily, let's see what the daily's doing, and we'll go ahead and wrap it up. Money flow super thick on the daily and climbing. VWAP's kind of just shooting at an angle right now. It's hard to determine a curve on this thing at the moment. So these are the levels I'm watching. We know we're only about $1,500 away. I'm pretty sure the previous all-time high was like 9 something. Yeah, 1095. So $1,500 away. $1,500 away. Or we was. Now we're way down at 106. Okay, so now we're starting to open candles underneath this VWAP, which is going to give us a potential to come down from the previous day to the weekly VWAP. So these are really the key levels right here to watch today. If we're going to lose the previous day VWAP right here at 106.2, expect a retest of the weekly at 105.4. And if we're going to lose these, we have this moving average in the previous week between 104.4 and 104.2. And these are where I would be looking for bounces with bull divs, money flow either continuing up or coming in to where I would long from these areas. Any of these areas would look good for a long if we're going to continue with bullish momentum. But these are the levels I'm watching. I can see a curve to the upside, but the 4 hour shit, really the 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour leaning kind of bearish. Leaning kind of bearish. Not saying we don't hit all time highs. I mean, shit, we're only, like I said, we're just right there, really close. We only need a 2K pump. Okay, but that will do it for me. I hope you all have a great day. God bless everyone. All praise be to Jesus Christ. Thank you everyone for tuning in, liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, sharing my content. I appreciate all y'all, man. God bless all y'all. Thank you. I'm out.